have a snake plant. Mother-in-law's tongue as well, they call it. I had this for, I don't even remember how long, but I believe it's a while now. There's no growth. I don't know. I'm gonna check on the roots. It looks the same. I don't see any difference. Put this on the side. It's just drying out. Let me see. Oh, it's root bound. Okay, so the roots are coming out, so it needs to be repotted. Let's see if that helps. So what we do is just kind of squeeze the sides a little bit, just a little bit. Don't turn it around and around, squeeze a bit, and then just pull it out gently and it will come out. Okay. Oh, yay. Okay, so it was root bound. Look at this. There's a new growth here. I'm so excited. Oh, that's a baby. Oh, there's another baby coming. Oh, there's two. A new one and a new one. Two of them growing out. And here I'm thinking this plant is not doing anything. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, so what we're going to do is find a pot for her, a bigger pot, so she can freely spread her babies. So I'll just find a pot. Alright, so I'm going to use this big pot. Well, it's not huge, but in the camera it might look big. But it's bigger than the one that I had. See that? A little bit bigger. So we're going to put the soil in there. And I'm using premium potting soil, which is weed free. And it has already food in there. Okay, so we're going to dump that soil in there. Alright, so there's my cup. I use a cup to take the soil out. What I like to do is press in a bit the soil so the bottom part is a little bit pressed, not too loose. Not too loose. We don't want it that loose. There we go. And then we'll put the plant on the top, and then we'll put more soil surrounding it. I'm so happy. I'm glad I made this video so I can see this little babies trying to come out. I think I'm gonna pull out the dry leaves a little bit, like these dry parts here, just a little bit. I'm not gonna damage the plant, just a little bit. There we go, that's all. I don't want to damage her because she's having babies. So we're going to loosen up a little bit, not too much, because she's quite fine. All right, just a little. And I'm just gonna put her in there like so, and make her straight. Just make sure it's straight, like straight up, and just hold her and start putting the soil on the sides, or even it out from the bottom, put soil so it remains straight, because it can tilt a little bit. So just with one hand and the other hand you start putting the soil and pressing it so it stays straight. Okay, so I'm going to try to put the camera a little bit more up so you can see. Alright, so like I said, we will, one hand I will hold it up so it stays straight, and we will start putting the soil in there. I think it's too much over here, so I want to push it more into the middle. There we go. And start pouring that soil in there, turning it around. One hand you hold it. Okay, we just start pressing with your two fingers. Start pressing it in there. Okay, we don't want to damage our little beautiful plant. He's doing so good. Okay, we'll want to make sure we cover all those roots because the roots are showing a little bit. So we're going to cover all that with the soil, okay? Make sure the roots are not showing. Just be gentle with the plant, don't be rough. I don't want to press it too hard so the babies don't have a hard time coming out. Okay, I think that's enough soil. So we just kind of press it around, not hard, just gently. I would press only the middle of the plant, and that's about it. And there we go, my friends. Very easy. I hope I didn't push it too much over there. Oh my gosh. And hopefully I will get my babies out, and I'm gonna put her in front of a window that has more light. because from what I understand, the green ones like a bit of sunlight. Then the other one that has yellow and green, which I do have that one, and that one is still new. All right, my friends, so thank you for watching. This is how I take care of my plants, and I wanted to share with you my little problem that I didn't see any growth, which I was wrong. And I'm very happy now that I see that there's 2 babies about to come out. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. This was a short video again, and hope to see you again on the next video. Subscribe if you're new, and visit me on my social media, and follow me also in the group so we can share our love, our passion with our beautiful plants. All right then, happy planting. Bye.